To automatically change lock screen wallpaper whenever you turn on the screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap change wallpapers. Scroll down the screen. Under wallpaper services, tap dynamic lock screen thumbnail. Select the desired image pack. You can select up to 5 packs. However, if the pack you select has not been downloaded yet, your phone will download it first before you can use it. To see the result, go to your lock screen. Turn off the screen and then turn it on again. As you can see that your phone will automatically change the lock screen wallpaper to a wallpaper from the image packs that you have selected before each time you turn on the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.